Donna and I'm from a very small town named New Barrackpur, West Bengal, and I have done my graduation in journalism and mass communication. And before joining Girl Power Talk, I used to work as a marketing and PR associate at a film production company in Kolkata.
Hi guys, my name is Bhavna. I'm from Chhattisgarh, India. I'm a young leader at Girl Power Talk and I work as a business development associate. I'm also involved in the QA team as well as the PR and marketing team.
Hi, my name is Sandeep Kaur. I'm from India. I have completed my graduation in computer applications. Here I am working with QA team and handling internal and clients projects.
Proud and relieved, I will say.
Well, my younger self would be very shocked.
I needed to make my own money. I never wanted to end up like the other women in my family. Because most of the times, they end up treated badly just because they do not have financial independence. So I never wanted that for myself. Now I'm really happy with the opportunities that I have here and especially the independence. I really cherish that over here. So yeah, the little girl inside me will really happy and relieved to see where I am today right now.
Because I had no plans into moving into a technical field when I was young. I had a very different path planned, but I'm sure if I could talk to my younger self, she would be surprised in a good way, but proud of me as well that I came across so many hurdles, but I was able to surpass them by myself and I could do all of this by myself. I'm sure she'd be proud.
This is my first job in IT field, and at the beginning I was very nervous about whether it would be able to do or not, but I learned step by step and now I'm working on several projects and enjoying my work.
No, never. When Shudhanshu sir asked me to lead the testing team, it was really surprising because by that time I hadn't even completed my 6 months over here in this organization. So yeah, I was not even having a dream also about the opportunity I got at that moment.
It was a bit scary at first, but after joining the office and meeting the people here, it has been much better. The people here are very helpful. They are always here to help me if I need it, and the mentors that I have helped me a lot, growing professionally. So yeah, it has been an amazing experience.
So there was one fine evening I was having my child-based charcha time with our CEO Rachita ma'am, and she really appreciated my work here, and she said by herself that she sees much more potential in me. And as a fresher, what's better you can ask for when the mentor you really admire sits with you, guides you and appreciates your work. I think the kind of confidence that I have today about my work and as a person who I am today is just that one single conversation has so many impact on me. So I will say that Charter Chorcha stayed on my head till today.
Holi celebration is core memory for me, where we played with colors, had fun games, and for the first time I performed Punjabi dance called Gita in front of everyone.
When I joined this organization, I was sure that it will help me to grow professionally, but I never expected that it will heal me personally as well. The girls over here especially, they just understand me. They whenever I'm emotionally vulnerable, they prioritize my emotions. They will not come and say, don't think by logic, not like that. So they understand what I go through, and I think that's a blessing to have my girls over here.
Being financially independent makes me self-sufficient. I don't have to depend on others to make my decisions. It helps me to know my rights and who I am. With this, I can try new things and learn what works for me and what doesn't work for me and become a better person.
Empowered. I am a 26 years old, financially independent doing what I love the most.
I make sure the women in my life have my support whenever they need it, be it by me being their personal cheerleader, always cheering them on, or be it by when they are stuck with something or they want to learn something new, I make sure I'm there to help them. Apart from that, I make sure I stand up for women when they can't defend themselves or they are not there to defend themselves. Coming from a society where women weren't respected that much, I have stood up for a lot of my relatives, and I have stood up for random women as well, because I wanted to be there for them even when they weren't here to support, defend themselves or back themselves up. So yeah, I do that, and apart from that, what I also do is I always leave compliments to my fellow women. I give compliments to them a lot, because small encouragement goes a long way.
Honestly, I have never imagined that I will end up in a tech world. I studied art. So when I came here, after a few months, Sudhanshu sir suggested me that why don't you give a try in QA. I was shocked. I was full of fear. I'm like, why? Like, I do not know the ABCD in tech world, but the people over here, they were like really helpful. Literally, they just said that don't worry, Rona, you will go through it. हम हैं ना सब तेरे साथ. And I will not lie. At first, the testing, when I was learning testing, it was a literally nerve-wracking job. It felt like so much struggle. But the help of the people in tech team over here, it did not take that much long to struggle, and I'm really thankful to them.
I'm excited to do a lot of things like learning new tools and techniques, want to work on my speaking skills, being a better person, and finally living for myself and achieving my dreams. Last but not the least, I want to travel and explore the world with my husband.
I look forward to upskilling myself both professionally and personally. In my personal life, I would like to further work on my communication skills, eventually working on my soft skills. But I think that's happening. When you work at GBT, your soft skills do get better and you do get better at them. And in my professional life, I'd like to learn new tools and new technology and not be limited to just QA. So yeah, that's what I'm looking forward to new challenges and looking forward to get out of my comfort zone again.
So this year I am really looking forward to learn new automation tools and the few programming language which will help me much more in my work. And also I am planning to travel much more than I did last year. Please come out of your fear and live your life. लोग तो कुछ कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना, but life is just too precious to waste.
Please step out of your comfort zone and try something new to strive for greater achievement. You have to start from somewhere. Once you start, the paths will unfold on their own.
First of all, I completely understand that it's so hard to make that first step because it feels like no one is on your side and it's so scary to do it. But I assure you, when you take that first step, you'll start liking it, you'll start liking getting out of your comfort zone, and you'll want to keep doing it. And I assure you to achieve great things in life, you just have to make that first step. And regarding the society, the same society will praise you that criticizes you right now after you achieve great things in your life.